Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.
Hey guys, it's me, Mama Sue, and you're watching my channel, Glam Goat Face and Farm. So I would really appreciate it if you would hit that thumbs up button. It means so much to me. And become a part of the goat tribe. Just subscribe. Subscribe to the tribe. I love it. And let's see, what are we doing today? We are with the Beauty Ninja. Really awesome group of ladies. We've been around for, wow, maybe 6 years now. I don't even know. It's been so long, I can't keep track. But today, our video, our little collab playlist is in the description area. We are checking out our eyeshadow palettes. Which palettes were the most disappointing palettes that we have? So if you want to find out who didn't make the cut, hang out. We'll be right back. All right, here we are. And first, let's talk about, I mean, I've done so many declutters that anything that I really couldn't use, I don't own anymore. Korean eyeshadow and I do not get along. I like a bright, bold look, and Korean go for like the more natural beauty, which is why their skincare is chef's kiss. Like Korean skincare, there is no better skincare as far as I'm concerned anywhere. However, their eyeshadow is very demure. You know, they go for that aesthetic, cosmetic look. So they're creating a cosmetic effect where we're putting cosmetics on and, you know, we're looking at the makeup. They're looking at their face and trying to make their face look better. And so there's a complete reason why Korean makeup is so much more demure. Even though it looks beautiful in the pan, and it's usually very buildable, but why should I build it when I can buy palettes that I don't have to build? ZC is one of the first ones that come to mind. They have the most beautiful packaging. Their lipsticks and other products are awesome, but their eyeshadows are just not, they're just a little too demure for me. I can't do it. Ooh, should we have one? Should be, oh, okay, the flamingo just jumped the coop, but let's be a cow today, shall we? Moo, little milk cow going on. Ooh, I love it. So, let me see, who else? There was a brand, I don't even know if they're still around. It was called Pure Cosmetics. It was P-U-R. And they had a palette. I mean, this has been way back in the beginning of BoxyCharm, when BoxyCharm was BoxyCharm. They had a palette that was just, it didn't blend. It was very pigmented shades that didn't blend. And I could not. I tried. I did videos on that, and I couldn't get that palette through. I ended up throwing it out. I mean, I wouldn't even give that away. I threw it out because it was horrible. It was horrible. So that's it. Those are the only things that I really can't work with. And the ZC, like, I've got a little itch right here. ZC, like I said, I can work with that. It's just, why should I, you know? So I've got a couple here that I have been a little disappointed in. Something's going on with my light over here. I don't know what is the deal. It looks like cloudy right there, right? Yeah, I still have my nails on, and I'm getting used to them. I know, they're stupid long. Yeah, that's what I call that length. That's stupid long. But I actually put my earrings on today without having to use tweezers. Okay, so Too Faced. I know, Too Faced was my first loved brand. This is the last palette that I purchased from Too Faced. It is the La Femme. It's a beautiful palette. It smells like perfume. It smells like flowery, floral perfume. The shades is beautiful. It performs fine. My disappointment with this palette was, look at it, okay? This is the size of their bar palettes. And of course, when you're online, you can't, it's hard to guesstimate, you know, but seriously, when they've been putting out bar palettes that look like this for years, you're a little shocked to get one that looks like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, hello, tiny town here, okay? Yeah. And Too Faced no longer belongs to Jared, so I'm sure he took almost, I think he is opening another brand, but he sold Too Faced, and I'm sure that since he's opening another brand, he took most of his formulas with him. I'm done. I'm done. Like this was enough to make me go, are you kidding? Are you kidding me right now? Ooh, what is that? So that was a big disappointment. My next disappointment, this is my bad. I built this brand up. I saw so many people getting this brand in Ice Cream Beauty and using it, and it's beautiful and it performed beautiful, and everybody had like just really good things to say about it, and just, you know, gorgeous makeup, and it was beautiful, and I was like, oh, I gotta have one of those. Now, I never had Ice Cream Beauty before, so when it came up and one of these palettes was in the Ice Cream Beauty box, because, you know, some of these things are not that affordable outside of Ice Cream Beauty, I was like, oh, okay, now's the time. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. It is Day Day Signature. Now, I can't speak for any of the other palettes. I've heard nothing but good about the other palettes. Nothing but good. This is the Lioness. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, look at that. Let's do a little look with it, and then I will tell you about what my issue is with this palette. guess my issue with this palette? My flamingo has done flew the coop. I'm gonna have to go find her. Here's the issue. At first try, I did use a little of the glitter glue with it, and the mattes are perfect. Okay, the mattes are absolutely perfect. It's the special shades I had the problem with, and of course, I mean, look at that. That's the whole reason for the palette, right? Lord of mercy. My issue was, you know, I used glitter glue. No big deal. I got it on. I had some fallout, but, you know, you deal with that. And then I wore it for the day, and I went, what is this? What is this on the... my dandruff is glitter. Yeah, it fell out all day long, and it did it so bad that it was actually on my clothing. I was like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This beautiful palette is going to have that kind of fallout? Let me tell you what, usually where there's a will, there's a way. I asked around, talked to some people, and I did try a few other things, and in the end, what I ended up with was between, this is like a sponge applicator, but it's, you know, reusable, and a silicone brush, and not water. Water will work, but when it dries, it's just dry, okay? Water dries dry, okay? Use setting spray. Thank you, Fash from Fash Fab Beauty, for that suggestion. Use setting spray. I don't put it directly on the brush. I put it on the back of my hand, and then I put the brush on that, and then I put the brush in the pigment. And that, my friends, really makes the difference for me. So, what do you think? I mean, I think that this is worth the extra work. Look at how beautiful. This is insane. Okay, that's just... oh... absolutely beautiful. And then that pink, I mean, come on, let's take a look at these shades, because we have to. There's the beautiful, I don't know, highlighty, and then this is like a gold to pink sort of a thing going on. Those are so beautiful. Ooh, my first swatch is with these nails. Can she do it? Yes, she can. Seriously, guys, these are beautiful shades. I'm so happy that I found a way to use them. Just really, I was so disappointed at first, because I had really put this brand up like this was going to be the best thing I ever tried, you know, and I don't believe that the other palettes have the kind of fallout, and maybe it's just my palette, maybe it's just me, I don't know, but I mean, that's worth putting in some extra work for, right? Tell me if I'm lying. Anyways, let me know below, do you have palettes, or have you had palettes that you thought were going to be really great, and then when you got them, you were like, what just happened here? Let me know. Comment below. Please hit the like, and you know, subscribe to the tribe. And until next time, I hope you wake up dancing. Wake up dancing, ba-boom, boom. Wake up dancing every single day. Bye-bye, and God bless you.